Hi everyone, this is our link case study we made for the select topics course we have this semester. We are team 3. These are the team members. My name is Josafat Flores. Today's date is November 21st. And well, let's get started. This following project takes place in Oscar's father and son wood workshop. It is mainly based on the use of manual lathes, like that one on the left, and they work with these unit woods on the right. These are previously worked wood pieces. Oscar or his father had to turn them into pieces like this, or like this, for example. This is the final product, and they do often a nice job. Customers are satisfied. This is the actual workshop. It may look like this all the time, or this on the left. Well, we studied the process Oscar goes through to fulfill a recent order. This is a batch of 20 or 25 wood pieces. Here, he only has to sand this batch of pieces using the lathe and sandpaper. That's all, sandpaper. So, well, let's take a look. This is the first step of the process. Oscar only has to take one wood unit and place it into the lathe. That's about it. So I'm going to play it again. We quickly found an inconvenience. The batch of pieces does not have a storage order. They are all there, lying there, without a place for finished inventory. It happened that Oscar was often confused about which piece to take in his next step, as the original pieces look too much like the finished pieces. They are identical. Oscar even had to touch the surface to find out if they were sand already. This consumes time and increases the weighting of the units, the weighting they had to make in order to get done, to get work. Therefore, this is the first weight we found, weighting waste. Also, it was common for him to move from one side of the patch to the other. He was just searching due to the bad arrangement from one side to the another. This leads to repetitive and redundant movements and poor ergonomics because he had to be squatting while doing so. We are talking about excessive motion and other common ways for this process we found. And well, let's take to the next step. Here, Oscar only has to connect to plug in the power cable for the lathe. And well, this is another problem right after. It took him time to connect the power cable. As can be seen, there is a lot of disorder in the workshop. 10 cables, too many loose objects. It ain't even easy to find things inside boxes. Boxes has their own case inside. This makes Oscar wait longer while him and the wood piece, all right, the product. And well, it's a perfect opportunity for the 5S link tool we learned, as long as the visual control link tool we learned too. So let's get going. In this fragment, we are going to see how he cuts pieces of sandpaper to use them right after. First, he's searching for them. A lot of time for that. Then, look closely, he's going to try to cut it with his own hands. And even worse, he's going to grab a knife to do so, to try it. And this is not appropriate. This is an inappropriate processing, a link waste. And this is very stressful for Oscar right there, causing him to take more time. The lathe is already on, it's rolling. The part is rolling there, it's waiting even more time. more waiting. And also, the way he used the knife is dangerous. It can cut his own hand at any time. And well, when you put at risk the health, the safety, it also counts as excessive movement again. All right, so more waste. So let's see the final step. Here, Oscar take a few minutes sending out the piece, like 5 minutes for each. And well, here the piece gets ready. It has been completely sent, and Oscar places it into the batch again with no other order. He just toss it out. So to sum up, we found three types of waste: the waiting, the excessive motion, and inappropriate processing. We are also failing here with some lean principles, like the workflow. There is no series of fluid movements and actions. There is no great rhythm, so lead time increases. And well, the value stream and the value principles as well, due to all the activities that just not add value at all. So we're done here with part one of this video. We will see you in the analysis video that right after. So thank you.